everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweet Peas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this cute little patterned nail art design that I did as an accent nail, but you could do it on all of your nails if you wanted. I felt like this would be fun for Valentine's Day, which is coming up, but also just kind of good all year because the colors are very just fun and happy, and I think we all need a little bit of that in our lives. So of course you want to start by prepping your nails, putting on your choice of base coat, and then you're going to be ready for color. And I decided to go with a white background so you can have a nice little white canvas to work on. My favorite white polish right now is probably Nails Ink Whiteout. I had one bottle of it. It was getting towards the end. I think you guys saw that actually in some videos where it wasn't performing as great because it was older. But then I realized I actually had a backup bottle, so I am using it, and it's a fresh bottle and it's great. I love it. And that is what I'm applying. I did 2 coats because I really wanted a really good stark white shade. Also, the tool here that I'm using is super great for cleanup. It is like a silicone nail art brush, I think is what it's called. I will link it down below because it is amazing because I don't have to use like acetone or remover on it. It's just silicone. I can go while the polish is wet, clean up the edge of my nails, and I just love it because I haven't been doing nail art that much, and sometimes I need to do some cleanup, but I don't want to dry my fingers out by using acetone. So I did that, 2 coats of white, and then we're moving on to the next step. Of course, you want dry time in there. We have the magical camera world right here, so we get to skip right to the fun part. And we're going to start making the hearts. So I grabbed a total of 4 colors. You guys could do the same thing, or you could just do 2-tone hearts. It's really up to you, and you have total like freedom to what colors you wanted to use. I wanted a bright, happy rainbow vibe. So I did a pink, orange, and a green and a turquoisey shade. And then I just used my smallest dotting tool. So this is from a set off of Amazon that I purchased many years ago, but I did find it. And it comes with like 4 or 5 different tools, and each of the tools are dual-ended. So this is the pink one, which has the smallest dots available. And I think I'm actually using the smallest one on that one as well. But of course, if you have a bigger space on your nail bed, you could totally do bigger dots, so you could have bigger hearts. Or you could do less hearts, and then they could be bigger because you'd have more space. But I didn't really like have any major method to this. I do the 2 dots at the top of the heart, and then I work my way down. This time I strictly just use a dotting tool for the art. Super easy, and it could be done with a toothpick if you do not have any dotting tools on hand, which is another great thing about this design, is that it really doesn't take major tools if you don't have any. But also, I do want to mention, keep in mind that you need to wait for this to dry 100% before putting on a top coat, because I kind of did it and had a little smear, but then I had to fix it after the fact. We were all good, but just make sure you let it dry. And then here is a look at the final design. I really like how this came out. It's super fun, super happy, and I've just really been obsessed with wearing like white nail polish on my nails lately. It's like a kind of like bright spot whenever you're like doing things with your hands, and so I just really enjoyed this. And here my nails are out in the wild. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.